Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to zoom in on Instagram posts. This is helpful when you want to take a closer look at details in photos, artwork or even products featured in posts. I'll guide you through how to use the zoom feature and give you some extra tips for better control. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and go to home feed where you'll see posts from people you follow. You can also navigate to a specific profile by tapping on the search icon at the bottom and entering the username in the search bar. Once you find a post that you want to zoom in on, tap to view it. To zoom in on the post, you'll use the pinch to zoom gesture. Here's how it works. Place two fingers on the screen where the post is displayed, then spread them apart to zoom in. You can zoom in on any photo in a post this way, whether it's a single photo or part of a carousel post with multiple images. When zooming in, you can move the image around by dragging your fingers across the screen. This allows you to focus on specific details like small text or intricate design elements you want to zoom back out. If you want to zoom back out, simply pinch your fingers together on the screen until the image returns to its normal size. You can even make it smaller. One thing to keep in mind is that zooming in doesn't change the resolution of the image itself. So if the image is low quality, zooming in won't necessarily make it clearer. However, for high resolution images, zooming in can reveal a lot more details, especially in things like travel, photos, fashion posts, or artwork. And that's it. You know now how to zoom in on Instagram posts to get a closer look at details. This feature works across all types of posts, whether they're photos, videos, or multiple image carousels. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on how to use Instagram to its full potential. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.